Adamah literally means earth. It's one of our flagship programs. For 15 years now, Adamah has been a place that Jewish 20-somethings have come and have spent 3 months living in intentional community, learning farming, leadership, and Jewish life.
Adamah is a 10-week Jewish farming fellowship centered on intentional Jewish life, community building, and learning about the land.
It's a lot about community building and just really living an intentional life here with other Jews.
I wanted to join Adamah because I needed a place to reconnect to my Judaism.
Always loved growing plants, and I really wanted to learn about how to actually do that.
Learning about different forms of agriculture and how Jews historically had been in relationship with food.
We learn about dairy, we learn about the meat industry, we learn about how things are harvested and the way that things are grown, and you get that full holistic understanding of it.
I was interested in seeing what my Jewish life would look like, especially after college.
Coming here is helping me figure out not just what it means to live here in Falls Village, Connecticut, but I feel like I'm ready to be anywhere and figure out what it means to be connected to the land and connected to the soil and live in community and build community.